this is Sindhuu. Welcome back to the channel Keychains by Sindhuu. Today I'm gonna make some keychains and some phone charms for my small business. Actually, this is the first time me working with any dry clay. I don't know how it goes, whether it may be hit or flop. Let's see. Actually, కొన్ని prompts అనేది నేను రాసుకున్నా. ఏంటంటే 3 keychains చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా and 3 phone charms. Keychainsలో వచ్చేసి ఒకటి గిటార్, ఒకటి ప్యారెట్, ఇంకోటి బటర్ఫ్లై ఆర్ వేల్ 3 అండ్ ఫోన్ చార్మ్స్లో వచ్చేసి ఎ క్యాట్ అండ్ దెన్ హార్ట్ షేప్డ్ ఈవిల్ ఐ అండ్ ఎ కెమెరా. దీస్ ఆర్ మై ప్రాంప్ట్స్. చూద్దాం ఎన్ని చేయగలుగుతాను.
This is my Instagram page and you can follow me here. Click on the link in the bio and you will be redirected to my website, and so you can see here. Okay, click on the order now button. You can see here like phone charms, hair clips, Tic-Tac-Toe, keychains and also fridge magnets. Okay, let's try keychains. Tap your customization box. So let's try Spider-Man and Bunny. Okay, now click add to bag and go to checkout. Next, give your email address and click on checkout. Now enter your details like first name, last name, mobile number, address, and continue the process, and you will be confirm your order.
We are done with sculpting, painting, glazing and also attaching the charms and rings. You can order my products from the website link in the description. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, link in the description box.